This video reviews NTT's financial results for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, covering the period from April to June 2025. NTT, or Nippon Telegraph and Telephone Corporation, is a major Japanese telecommunications company. It is one of the largest telecom operators in the world and plays a key role in Japan's communication infrastructure, alongside SoftBank Corp. And KDDI. Consolidated results. Operating revenues increased by 0.7% from the same period last year, reaching 3,262 billion yen, which is a record high level. However, EBITDA declined by 1.7%, and operating profit also fell by 7%. Net profit decreased by 14.4 billion yen, or 5.3%, to 259.7 billion yen. While revenues grew modestly and reached a new high, profitability declined. Although net profit declined year on year, the progress rate toward the annual target of 104 billion yen stands at 25%, indicating decent progress so far for fiscal year 2025. Contributing factors by segment. The integrated ICT segment provides digital and network services for businesses in Japan, including mobile phone services through NTT Docomo. Global Solutions segment delivers IT, cloud, and data center services. Regional Communications segment offers phone and internet services to local customers via NTT East and West. In the first quarter, operating revenues increased year on year, reaching 3,262 billion yen. This growth was mainly driven by the integrated ICT segment and the regional communications segment, which both showed revenue increases. On the other hand, operating profit declined to 405.2 billion yen. This decrease was due to lower profits in the integrated ICT segment and the global solutions segment, despite some improvement in the regional communications segment. The decline in operating profit indicates rising costs or investment burdens in the high-growth segments. While top-line growth was supported by strong performance in global and ICT services, profitability was pressured due to cost factors in the same segments. There is some progress in NTT's upcoming new businesses. NTT will launch Suzumi 2, its upgraded Japanese AI model, in October 2025. Made in Japan, it's 4 times more accurate, strong in Japanese, secure, and efficient, running on just one computer processor. On July 14, 2025, NTT listed its data center real estate investment trust, NTT REIT, on the Singapore Exchange. As part of the listing, NTT transferred 6 data centers located in the US, Singapore, and Austria, valued at approximately 229.5 billion yen. The goal is to accelerate investment, raise funds, protect financial stability, and expand its data center business. At Osaka Expo 2025, NTT held a live show with actors in Japan and Taiwan, using IOWN's high-speed tech to connect in real time. At its pavilion, computers with IOWN used just 1/8 the power of normal ones. A better version is coming soon. NTT plans to replace old copper phone lines with fiber and wireless services by 2035 due to aging infrastructure. In recent years, the maintenance costs of fixed-line phones for NTT East and NTT West, along with a decline in users, have been factors in profit decline. This transition will also reduce maintenance and operational costs. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 153 yen as of August 6th, and the US dollar stock price is $26.15 as of August 5th. There was no significant change in the stock price following this earnings announcement. Current PBR is 1.35 and PER is 12.2. Dividend yield is 3.46%. Compared to recent years, the PER is slightly higher, partly because EPS has declined, making the PER relatively higher. In terms of PBR and dividend yield, the stock appears slightly undervalued. Conclusion. NTT's first quarter results for fiscal year 2025 show modest revenue growth reaching a record high, but with declining profits. Despite the drop in net profit, progress toward the annual target remains at 25% at least. Meanwhile, NTT is actively investing in future growth areas, including the launch of its advanced AI, the listing of REIT to boost data center expansion, and energy-efficient ion technology. Although profits continue to decline, NTT is still generally on track with its full-year plan.